Your configuration management database is only as good as the data inside it. Duplicate configuration items, missing fields, and manual cleanup that never ends. When your CMDB data is unreliable, everything that depends on it breaks down. CMDB Workspace is your command center for data health. 3 pillars: completeness, correctness, compliance, with automated rules that surface issues and route tasks to the right teams. Inside the workspace, the health dashboard breaks down your score across all 3 sections, with tasks organized by CI class. In completeness, for example, network adapters are flagged for missing location fields. Every issue already categorized, already assigned. In correctness, the system flags duplicate configuration items automatically. 2 servers, same name, the workspace walks you through it. Pick the main configuration item, compare attributes side by side, lock in the values you want. RAM, DNS, operating system, merge the relationships, retire the duplicate. 1 summary screen, 1 click to submit. The system resolves it, and the work log records every step for a full audit trail. Because clean data leads to confident decisions, every single time. At Mobiz, we turn lifecycle complexity into scalable architecture.